So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can use template in your Trello application. So first you need to open your Trello application, then you need to click on the plus icon at the bottom corner. Then you need to click on browse template, and after that you can select here whatever type of template you need. So for example, I need a project management template. I can just click on project management template. It will load the template. It will take some time, few seconds. So the template is created here. You can just click on anywhere and edit anything, or you can just click on this to close every cards, and you can just do manually. You can do it manually as well. You can just click on anywhere and you can easily edit everything in your cart.